Intensive Practice 4.3, Question 4. Without using a calculator or four-figure tables, simplify this. Right. So here we have very different bases. We have 12, 64, and 16. So what we can do is, we can try to change their bases to a similar base lah. So let's just choose the smallest number here, 7. So we change all of this to base 7. So to change base, you have to put a fraction, draw a fraction line here. So to change base, we write log 7, log 7. Big number goes on top, small number goes below. So log 7, 49, log 7, 12. This one will be log 7, log 7. Big number goes on top, small number goes below. Down here is the same, log 7, log 7. Big number goes on top, small number we write below. Right. Okay, now let's try to simplify. So looks like we have log 7, 12, log 7, 12. We can cut this. Log 7, 49. We can write it as, okay, we can write this as log 7, 7 square. Okay, then this one cancel off already. So it's this over this. Log 7, 64, we can write it as 4 cube. Okay, then this whole thing over this, right? So instead of writing over, we can just write it as divide. So divide this whole thing. I can say log 7, 7 over log 7. 16 will be 4 square. Okay, now it looks much simpler. Okay, basically this whole thing is this. Then since it's over this, we wrote it as divide this. Okay, nothing much, nothing too fancy lah. Okay, then whatever power we have, you can bring it forward. Here, so you can bring it forward. And log 7, 7 is just 1. So let's simplify it further. This will become 2 log 7, 7 over 3 log 7, 4 divide 1 over 2 log 7, 4. Okay. In fractions, if we have divide, we have to switch it into times. It will become times, then you have to flip it. So if 1 over this, you must balikkan, so it becomes 2 log 7, 4 over 1. Okay. Log 7, 7 here, this is just 1. Then log 7, 4 and log 7, 4 we can cut. So this leaves us with 2 over 3 times 2. Okay, this one is 2 times 1, which is just 2. And then 3, 3, 2, 2. So 2 over 3 times 2, we get 4 over 3. Done. So this is how to do it in the simplest way I can think of lah. That's it.